tutaisha.
Beatrice Soy nobedo jaloch makanyakla itelo mokwongo mag tuke golf motesni Dr. Peter Ndegwa and Friends Golf Tournament mano bagi alap Mamudhaiga Golf Club. Soy mantiere rang'iny mar handicap 27 no nyiso kitugo maber kendo otieke thuolo mokwongo gi points 45 e kind jotugo 200 mano yore tukego. Soy noyudo points 23 e buche 9 mokwongo kapok otieko round mar 2 gi points 22. E kidieny mar Wakeni, Joan Kanjenjo nobedo jaloch gi points 35 ka Benson Theuri notieke thuolo mokwongo e kidieny mar yawuowi.
It's a rare moment that I'm standing in front of this team here. Thank you so much, Safaricom, Peter and Friends for the sponsorship. Today was a very nice day because I had great company of Merimbataru, Chege Njoroge, and David Ombisa.
Today we are sponsoring as Safaricom and calling it Peter and Friends. We've always sponsored golf and other sports for the past 24 years. It's an opportunity to sambaza furaha as we are sambazaring furaha across the country. Golfers, a very appreciative crowd, might surprise many, but it's fantastic to see more than 200 golfers coming to play today and enjoying themselves, especially as people gear up to go